Welcome to the video on how to make money on Writers Labs. If you're a freelance writer or a content creator looking to earn a steady income, then this video is for you. Writers Labs is a platform that connects writers with clients who need high-quality content. In this video, we will show you how to make the most of this platform and turn your writing skills into a profitable career. If you're looking to make money as a freelance writer or content creator, Writers Labs is a great platform to consider. With thousands of clients looking for quality content, there's no shortage of opportunities to earn a steady income. But, like any platform, there are strategies you can use to maximize your earnings and attract high-paying clients. First, let's talk about freelance writing. This is the most popular way to earn money on Writers Labs. To get started, you'll need to create a strong portfolio that showcases your writing skills and experience. Your portfolio should include a variety of writing samples, such as blog posts, articles, and copywriting. It's important to have a diverse range of samples so that clients can see your versatility as a writer. Once you have a strong portfolio, you can start applying for jobs on Writers Labs. When you're just starting out, it's a good idea to set your rates slightly lower than the average for your niche. This will make you more competitive and increase your chances of landing jobs. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, you can gradually raise your rates. Another way to earn money on Writers Labs is through content creation. This involves creating content for clients, such as blog posts, social media posts, and marketing materials. Content creation requires a different set of skills than freelance writing, as you'll need to be able to create content that is engaging and shareable. To succeed in content creation, it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices. Finally, ghostwriting is another option for earning money on Writers Labs. Ghostwriting involves writing content that is published under someone else's name. This can include anything from books to blog posts. Ghostwriting requires a high level of skill, as you'll need to be able to write in someone else's voice and style. That's all for today's video on how to make money on Writers Labs. We hope you found this guide helpful and informative. Remember, building a successful career on Writers Labs takes time and effort, but with the right strategies and skills, you can earn a steady income as a freelance writer or content creator. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on freelancing and entrepreneurship.